Today, I'll show you how to add your store cards, loyalty cards, and membership cards to Apple Wallet. As you can see, I already have a few cards here. They belong to different groups and each card has its own style, image, and barcode. Now let's go through the process from the beginning. First, open RooCards. On the home screen, I already have 3 cards here. Let's add a new card as an example. Tap Add Card in the top right corner. Here, you can scan a barcode or enter the details manually. For this example, I'll enter the card name manually and call it River Coffee. Then we can add a label and call it Coffee. For the card number, I'll enter 12345678890. Next, you can choose the card type. RooCards supports different barcode and QR code formats, so you can choose the one that matches your actual card. For the category, I'll choose Food for now. After saving, you can see the new card in the app. Next, let's customize the card. Open the card details page, then tap the edit button in the top right corner. This takes you to the edit screen. Tap Appearance. Here, you can customize the card image, background color, and text color. You can also choose an image as the card background. For example, I'll select an image that fits this card, then crop it slightly if needed. Once it looks good, tap Save. Back on the home screen, you can see that the card has now been set up. Next, let's add this card to Apple Wallet. Open the card details page and tap Add to Apple Wallet. This opens a preview page. On this page, you can edit the information that will appear in Apple Wallet, such as the title, category, and label. The title can be changed if needed. For the category, I'll change it to food and drinks. The label is currently coffee, but you can also change it to your own name or any text that makes the card easier to recognize. Below that, you can also adjust how the card looks in Apple Wallet. For example, you can replace the image or change the card background color. Here, I'll choose a color that better matches the coffee style. Once everything is ready, tap Add to Apple Wallet. The app will show the Apple Wallet preview. If everything looks correct, tap Add in the top right corner. The card will then be added to Apple Wallet. Now let's switch to Apple Wallet and take a look at the card we just added. You can see the new card appears in your wallet and is ready to use. After that, let's go back to RooCards and add a few more cards. For example, let's add a pharmacy card. To make the card look more consistent, I'll change the background to a pink color. Then I'll choose a group and add the card to the matching group. If the group does not feel right after adding the card, you can remove it and add it again to another group. Here, I'll add it to the second group and name the group Pharmacy. After saving, the card is now added to the pharmacy group. Next, let's add a gym card. The card information can also be edited, but this time I'll keep the default settings. Then I'll create a new group for it and name the group Sports. Once confirmed, the gym card is added. Finally, let's add a Groceries card. The original background color is a little too dark, so I'll change it to a green color that better matches vegetables in a grocery store setting. Then I'll add it to the first group and rename that group Food. After all the cards are added, let's take another look at the result in Apple Wallet. Now, the first group has 2 cards, and the other groups each have their own cards as well. This way, you can organize different types of membership cards into different groups, making them clearer and easier to use in Apple Wallet. That's it for this tutorial. With RooCards, you can quickly add, organize, and manage your membership cards in Apple Wallet. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more RooCards features and tutorials. Thanks for watching.